Hello, teacher. My name is Angelica Sarache, and I'd like to talk about speech organs. The organs which take part in the production of speech sounds are called speech organs. When we speak, air comes out through the lungs and it is interfered at various places for the production of sounds. Sound cannot occur without air. In the picture, we can see nasal cavity, alveolar ridge, lips, teeth, larynx, palate, uvula, tongue, pharynx, vocal cords, and epiglottis. The lips. The upper lip and lower lip help to produce bilabial sounds. If they are held together, the sounds produced in that positions are bilabial stops. If the lips are held together, they produce different vowels. Here we can see upper lip and lower lip. The vocal cords. The larynx contains two small bands of elastic tissues. They are called vocal cords. The opening between the vocal cords is called epiglottis. When we breathe in or out, the glottis is open. This is the position of the production of voiceless sounds. For example, f, s are voiceless sounds in English. The sounds produced when the glottis comes together are called voice sounds. So, the main function of the vocal cords is to produce voiced and voiceless sounds. Tongue. The tongue is an important organ of speech. It has the greatest variety of movement. It is divided into four parts: the tip, the blade, the front, and the back. The number of vowels is produced with the help of the tongue. Vowels differ from each other because of the position of the tongue. The tip of the tongue helps to produce z. The blade of the tongue helps to produce t, d, ts. The front of the tongue helps to produce palatal sound, and the back of the tongue helps to produce k, z sounds. The alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is the part between the upper teeth and the hard palate. The sound produced with the tongue touching the alveolar ridge is called alveolar sounds. For example, s, t, etc. Producing different speech sounds depends on the movement of speech organs. It is essential to know the movement and the placement of each organ to produce particular sounds. The above descriptions and functions of the organ of speech help you to guide students to produce the consonants and vowels in a right way. Alveolar ridge. It is situated between the teeth and the hard palate. It is covered with little ridge. The teeth. The teeth take part in the production of consonant sounds. The upper teeth only take part in the production of speech sounds. The lower teeth don't take part for the productions of sounds. The sound produced with the help of the upper teeth are called dental sound. K, gr. The soft palate. The soft palate is also called velum. It is the roof of the mouth. It separates the oral and nasal cavity. The last part of the soft palate is called uvula. When it is lowered, the nasal sounds mm, are produced. When it is raised, the air passes out through the oral cavity and the oral sounds are produced. Here we can see soft palate, tonsils, hard palate, and uvula.